Behavioral insights is crucial in health in today's context to bridge the gap between intention and action. And that is to translate our knowledge of what's good for our health into action and behaviours that will actually drive better health outcomes.
WHO has been very pleased to partner with Malaysia as it moved its first ever resolution on behavioral science for better health at the World Health Assembly in May this year.
We are fortunate today to have a collaboration with the WHO Country Office of Malaysia, Brunei Darussalam and Singapore to organize a 3-day workshop to empower our health education officers in behaviour insights.
So human behaviour is really complicated, and health behaviour is even more so, impacted by a range of determinants from our psychology, from the environment in which the behaviour takes place, and also from our peers and our family. So getting an understanding of that behaviour is crucial in our design of policies and programs.
The behavioural insight has a lot of role to play into it. To achieve this, two things must be there. First, we have to start capacity building among the medical staff, basically to understand what is this behavioural insight approach, as well as starting a behavioural insight functionality at implementation level.
One of the remarkable sessions that I found very interesting in this training is the expert sharing sessions on their behavioural insight activities and interventions from Singapore, from Australia and also Geneva. It opened our mind and hearts that actually the behavioural insight is actually happening right now.
Behaviour insight membantu kita untuk memahami tingkah laku rakyat Malaysia dan seterusnya membangunkan intervensi yang bersesuaian dan pastinya dapat mengubah tingkah laku rakyat ke arah tingkah laku yang lebih sihat.
Behavioural insight yang telah diterapkan adalah amat berguna dan berkesan sekali untuk membantu Jabatan Kesihatan untuk melaksanakan program yang lebih berkesan.
I think the behavior insight or behavior science, social science is one of the most important things so that they can actually empower themselves. We must do with whatever we have. We must employ creative solution to expand our capacity in this field.
Let's do it for better health.